What if we could snap our fingers and cure every single disease on Earth? No more cancer, no more heart disease, no more pandemics. It sounds like a perfect utopia, right? Well, it's a bit more complicated than that. Let's dive into what that world might actually look like. From a scientific standpoint, it would be humanity's greatest triumph. Imagine living well past 100 in perfect health. Healthcare costs would plummet, freeing up trillions of dollars, but new challenges would emerge. Even without disease, our bodies would still age. And what about viruses and bacteria? They constantly evolve, so a cure would have to be more like a continuous, unbreakable defense shield. Socially and economically, the effects would be massive. With no one dying from illness, our global population would explode. Where would everyone live? How would we feed them all? Our entire concept of a career and retirement would have to be reinvented. If you could live for 200 or 300 years, would you still retire at 65? This could also create a huge divide. If only the wealthy could afford these miracle cures, it would create a new, biological class system. A world of mortals and immortals. This brings up some deep philosophical questions. Death, in many ways, gives life meaning and urgency. If the threat of disease was gone, would we lose our drive, our creativity, our very sense of purpose? Curing all diseases could be the ultimate test for humanity. In the best-case scenario, we'd rise to the occasion. We could shift our focus from mere survival to things like lifelong learning, exploring the cosmos, and artistic creation. Society would transform, focusing on personal fulfillment and planetary stewardship. It's a fascinating and slightly terrifying thought. What do you think? Would a world without disease be a paradise or a new kind of prison? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content that makes you think. See you next time.